Yes, dear students. So you have come to know about Coulomb's law. In class 11, you learned Newton's law of gravitation, the force of attraction between two masses. It's called Newton's force of gravitation, while the force of attraction repulsion between two point charge is called Coulomb force. So here Coulomb force and Newton's या Coulomb's law कह दीजिए Coulomb's law and Newton's law of gravitation. Because Newton has so many laws of gravitation या gravity. Similarity जो है क्या क्या है? There are two similarities proportional to product of charges Q1 Q2. I mean force Coulomb force proportional to product of charges. It is proportional to masses. Inversely proportional to 1 upon r square. Inversely proportional to 1 upon r square. So these are two similarities, but dissimilarity क्या है? Two dissimilarities. Coulomb's force may be attractive and repulsive, while force of gravity is always attractive. Coulomb force may be attractive as well as repulsive, while it may be क्या भाई it always attractive. Now number two, dissimilarities. This is very important to understand here. Coulomb's force या कूलम्बिक फोर्स ही बोलते हैं कुछ लोग. कूलम्बिक फोर्स डिपेंड्स ऑन द मीडियम बिटवीन पॉइंट चार्जेस, while gravitational force is independent of medium. Such questions are asked in board exam. Dear student, there are two main difference in board exam and competitive exam. I think you know, board exam aim is to pass maximum, while competitive exam aim is to fail maximum. So such question will be asked in board exam generally. पूछ ले जाते हैं. Write two similarities, two dissimilarities between the two forces. Electrostatic force और gravitational force के नाम से पूछ सकते हैं. So this was about Coulomb's law and gravitational law, Newton's law of gravitation, similarity, dissimilarity. Now you may be thinking why I am saying Coulomb force independent. I have this book in here above the table. The weight of the table is same as when between earth and book is table, but and same here. But the electric force get decreased when medium come in between the two charges. If metals come in between, the Coulomb force becomes zero. Just now I told you water has dielectric constant at T. In ionic compound, positive and negative are held together by Coulomb force. So when these compounds are put in water, force reduced to 180 times. So depend upon medium. And there are many other properties responsible for this. Behavior of Coulomb force depend upon medium between two point charges. Now you know force is vector quantity. Then you may be asked, write Coulomb force in vector form. So vector form of Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. Different people write in different manner. Suppose I take here, it is xy plane. Q1 charge placed here and Q2 here, and position vector this R1 for Q1 and that of Q2 is R2. It is vector AB. If these two charges are like, they will repel, and I told you that force of repulsion or attraction acts along the line joining the two charges, and that is called line of action force. If they are like charges, they will be repelling each other like this. I write a F12 and this is F21. F21 means force acting on charge Q2 due to Q1, and F12 means force on charge Q1 due to Q2, repulsion force. If you remember vector addition, then R1 plus vector AB, is equal to R2. अगर AB vector की डायरेक्शन होगी left to right like this. So vector AB is equal to R2 minus R1. यानी कि डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स F21 is along AB means along R2 minus R1, or people write like this R21 लिखते हैं, but I don't write. Similarly, BA, vector BA will be R1 minus R2. And therefore, force acting on charge Q1 due to Q2 according to Coulomb's law, F12 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 into BA direction होगी, that is R1 minus R2. This tells the direction of this force upon modulus R1 minus R2 cube. Remember here, vector AB is equal to minus BA. यानी कि वेक्टर R1 minus R2 equal to minus R2 minus R1. And similarly, F21 force 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 bracket r2 minus r1 upon r1 minus r2 modulus cube, or you can write r2 minus r1 also. But here it is important to write what to write. In our NCERT book, they have written it as, or we can write f12 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 r12 unit vector, whose direction is from along r1 to r2 upon r1 minus r2 modulus whole square, because this is dimensionless. r12 is unit vector along क्या भाई b है ना, यानी कि along r1 minus r2. Similarly, f21 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 bracket r21 unit vector upon modulus r1 minus r2 whole square. But here we have to tell that r21 is a unit vector along r2 minus r1, and from figure it is clear r2 minus r1 मैंने क्या बताया यहाँ पर a b vector. तो direction of r1 to unit vector r1 r2 are opposite. Since r12 is equal to minus r21 unit vector are different, their magnitude comes same, and so we can write vector f12 is equal to minus f21. To every action there is always equal and opposite reaction. I have noticed about this action reaction forces. People are very much confused. To every action there is always equal opposite reaction. So action means they suppose something to happen. No, it is action force and reaction force. Action reaction force always act on different bodies. So this was about vector form. Actually, many times in board exam, vector form Coulomb's law has been asked many times. And because force is vector quantity, and please, I am requesting you all, before studying class 12 syllabus, please revise the chapter of vector from class 11. Especially try to understand scalar product, vector product. Addition of vector, subtraction of vector should be very clear to you. I have given these in my videos for class 11. वेक्टर स्केलर के नाम से चैप्टर है. In my videos it is given there. You can, if you have any doubt, please read the video of vector product and its application. I am not actually marketing myself. It is a problem, general problem. Once I asked a teacher, define acceleration and tell me unit direction of acceleration. So he was unable, he kept on stressing, if it is vector, it has direction. It has direction, but which way it has? How to define? So in class 11 video I have given here on YouTube in the name of Balaram Physics, scalar and vector, you can search out and read that and try to understand. Now in this video, it will become lengthy. I will take unit of charge in next video.